Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I may look a little weird. I already have mascara and my eyebrows done. I also taped my eyes and primed them and set them. The reason why I have my brows and mascara on already is because I posted an Instagram picture, which I will leave my links to my social media down in the description box below so you can check out that picture. But we're going to just jump right in since I already primed and set. So here's what the palette looks like if you guys don't know what it looks like or are hesitant on getting it. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of Dusty Rose on a fluffy brush. This is just an NYX size 16 brush. It's a fluffy brush. I don't use this color an awful lot. I always go more towards like the other side of the palette. But I'm just going to take my little handy dandy mirror and I'm just going to go ahead and blend this into my crease. I like to do windshield washer motions and also circular motions, and I'm using a very light hand with it, hardly putting any pressure. And I also kind of like to start making like my little sharp point in the outer V as well. And I'm hardly putting any pressure at all. Again, I'm using a light hand, doing windshield washer motions like this. Again, I am not a professional in any way, shape, or form. I just really love doing makeup. I'm then going to be taking orange soda and burnt orange, which are, I'll hold it this way, sorry, are these two colors right here, and I'm just going to combine them together. And I'm taking a Wet n Wild fluffy brush, my crease I should say, and the outer corner. Again, doing windshield washer motions and circular motions. And so this is what it looks like with the burnt orange and orange soda and the Dusty Rose all in my crease. I'm then going to be taking this e.l.f. crease brush, and it's just kind of like a pointy type brush, and I'm going to be taking Sienna, which is this a little bit darker than the burnt orange color. It's more red toned than orangey. And I'm just going to apply this directly into my outer corner only. Then I'm going to take, I'm just using this, this is like the only other fluffy brush I have at the moment, so I'm taking this Urban Decay Naked 2 fluffy brush. It's double-sided. And I'm going to be taking a little bit of Rustic, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of go over what I just put down over this Sienna, and I'm going to just kind of like try to blend everything using that color. Just focusing it on the outer corner. And then what's ever left, I'll just drag it into the crease. Just so it doesn't look so harsh. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back in with my NYX brush in the Dusty Rose color, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend again into the crease. Like that. That looks good. Again, I'm not a professional. This is just how I do my makeup and how I do my friends' makeup. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and then I will come right back and we will add the glitter. I just went ahead and cut my crease off camera. Well, I did a half cut crease. I know it's not perfect. I'm still learning how to do them, but I did use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 25 Medium. This is like way too dark for me when I do my under eyes, when I do a full face, so I just use this to cut my crease. And then I use the back side of that Urban Decay Naked 2 brush. And I'm going to go ahead, and instead of using Sultry, I'm going to use Rose Pink. It's a lot brighter and prettier. Go ahead and just start tapping this onto my eyelid until at least the whole thing is somewhat covered. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish this eye off camera. I went ahead and put the rose color on this eye off camera, just so you guys don't have to sit there in silence and watch me apply it. I'm going to go ahead and take Mulberry on this Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm going to just go ahead and apply this to the outer corner, along, like a little bit into, to blend rose pink and the outer corner together, so there's not like a harsh like line where I stopped. This is what it looks like when you apply Mulberry to the outer corner and kind of blend everything together. I am going to take, let's see which color, I am going to take a little bit of, let's do this one, Fairy on my finger again and just apply it to the inner corner. And all I'm going to do is a couple like little taps. I don't want to go too crazy. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and add another coat of mascara, and I'm going to do liner, and then I'll come back. So here's the final look. I'll get it like a little closer so you guys can see. I think this came out really good. This is like one of my favorite looks I've done in like such a long time. But let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. I love again how this look came out. Before you guys leave, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Turn on my post bell notifications so you never miss a new video. Comment down below what you'd like to see out of this channel. And make sure you subscribe and follow me on all social media down below. That's it. Make sure you guys have a great day. See you later. Bye.